Okay, so you're watching this video right here. Hailstorm modeling assignments. This one, if you're struggling to complete it at home, let me know. I just want you to give me your best effort here. So the directions are right here. Download the document, read the directions on the assignment, draw model 1 for how hailstorm forms. And you're going to watch video 1, edit your first model, watch video 2, draw your second model, re-upload, and submit. So what that looks like is I'm going to open this and download, which I'm going to do. Right, so I'm going to read my directions, and then I'm going to go down here. I'm going to draw, so this should be model 1. That's my fault. I'll change that. Model 1, you're going to draw a diagram and explain in words what's happening for each of these pieces. Then you're going to go back to Schoology and watch the first video, and then come back and make any additions to these two things that you're going to do about how hailstorms form. Specifically, step 1, how clouds form, how updrafts help hail to form, and then hail falling was there. And then you're going to go back and watch video 2, and then you're going to complete model 2, which you're going to start from scratch. So take the elements of this that you like, and then we're just looking for improvement. Do you include some of the pieces to each of these that you didn't before? Last thing to note is that these are the 4 pieces that each part should include. Pictures what's happening, words what's happening, label at least one state of matter that's present in that part of the formation process, and diagram it as we did with our notes last week, which included the solid and plasma stuff. So think about Unit 1, Entry 2 homework. All right, good luck. Let me know if you have questions.